Is Overpass a legitimate company? It's a question that echoes across forums, review sites, and conversations whenever remote work and sales come up. In an era where online platforms connect talent with opportunities at an unprecedented rate, discerning the real from the less than real is crucial. And when it comes to Overpass, a platform specifically designed to connect businesses with remote sales and support professionals, that question becomes even more pertinent. We're not just talking about a simple job board here. Overpass positions itself as a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to build and manage remote sales teams, and for sales professionals seeking legitimate work-from-home opportunities. This involves not just matching, but also providing tools for communication, tracking, and payment. That's a lot of moving parts, which naturally leads to scrutiny. So, let's cut to the chase. Is Overpass legitimate? The short answer is yes. Overpass is a legitimate company. It's not a scam, and it does facilitate real connections between companies and remote sales talent. However, like any platform operating in this space, its legitimacy comes with nuances, and understanding those nuances is key to managing expectations, whether you're a business looking to hire or a professional seeking work. Overpass was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in Newark, New Jersey, United States. This isn't some fly-by-night operation with an anonymous online presence. They have a physical location and a history that dates back over a decade in the remote workspace. Their stated mission is to streamline the process of finding, interviewing, hiring, and paying pre-vetted sales representatives worldwide. They aim to solve the pain points fast-growing companies face in finding qualified talent, particularly in the sales and support sectors. One of the core pillars of Overpass's legitimacy lies in its business model. They act as a global talent marketplace and payment facilitation platform. For businesses, they offer access to a curated pool of remote sales experts, often with a requirement of at least 2 years of sales experience for representatives to be featured on their marketplace. They provide a tech-enabled dashboard that includes features like a work time tracker, allowing managers to monitor remote contractors. The idea is to offer an all-in-one solution for building and managing a remote sales force without the heavy investment in infrastructure or the complexities of traditional outsourcing. Businesses pay for talk time minutes and the hourly rate of their freelance contractors, with the promise of no commitment and little upfront investment. For the remote professionals, also known as contractors, Overpass provides a platform to create profiles, highlight their skills and experience, and identify suitable job openings. They can connect with companies, conduct video interviews directly on the platform, and ideally secure remote sales and support roles. Overpass handles the payment process, aiming to provide transparency and ensure contractors are compensated for their work. Now, let's talk about the user experience and what contributes to people asking, is Overpass legit? A quick look at various review platforms reveals a mixed bag, which is common for any platform connecting a large number of diverse users. On the positive side, many users, both businesses and contractors, praise Overpass for its ease of use, the quality of some of the talent or opportunities, and the professionalism of the interview and training processes. Businesses appreciate the ability to quickly find vetted sales professionals and the integrated tools for managing campaigns. Contractors often highlight the flexibility of remote work and the clear payment structures. Some reviews mention responsive and helpful support teams. For instance, on realreviews.io, Overpass.com has a 4.5-star rating, with many positive comments about the transparency and user-friendliness of the site. Similar positive sentiments are found on Trustpilot and Glassdoor, with ratings of 4.9 and 4.3 respectively. However, no platform is without its critiques, and Overpass is no exception. Some contractors have reported challenges in finding stable or long-term work, citing a scarcity of available jobs despite an increasing number of contractors on the site. There have also been concerns about fluctuating pay scales, with some users stating that hourly rates have decreased over time. Another point of contention for some businesses has been the fee structure, with reports of seats being charged monthly even if not actively used, and some employers citing high Overpass fees as a hindrance to hiring. The issue of contracts being abruptly ended by employers is another frustration for some contractors. It's important to understand that these experiences, both positive and negative, contribute to the overall perception of legitimacy. A legitimate company doesn't mean a perfect one. Challenges with job availability, pay, or contract terms can arise on any platform that acts as an intermediary. The key is whether the company is transparent about its operations, has a functional system, and addresses concerns, even if not every user's individual experience is ideal. Overpass does have a comprehensive terms of service and privacy policy available on its website, which is a hallmark of a legitimate operation. These documents outline the responsibilities of both the platform and its users, including how data is collected and used, and the terms of engagement for both clients and contractors. They also explicitly state that Overpass is a technology company providing software and a marketplace, and is not liable for issues arising from users' failure to protect account information, emphasizing individual responsibility within the platform. Furthermore, Overpass actively promotes its vetting process for sales representatives, requiring at least 2 years of sales experience to be on their marketplace. This indicates an effort to maintain a certain level of quality and professionalism, which benefits both businesses and the overall reputation of the platform. In essence, Overpass is a legitimate player in the remote sales and support talent acquisition space. It provides a valuable service by connecting businesses with remote professionals and offering tools to manage those relationships. Like any service of its kind, it has its strengths and weaknesses, and user experiences can vary. However, the presence of a clear business model, a verifiable company history, publicly available terms of service, and a significant user base, with both positive and negative feedback, as expected, all point to its legitimacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.